are we doing? Cameron Stewart calling in here from Red Hill in Auckland, and just at a new trade property. We've actually got early access to this property, so we're doing a bit of exterior works prior to settlement. So I just wanted to do a video and show you the transformation from now where it's at, and then obviously you'll see it. Usually I do around 4 videos per house, so you'll see from now through to finish. So let me just share my camera here, and so this is looking at the property. So we'll put a bit of a railing fence there at the front, and the base will get painted. So the base of the house up to the brick will get painted, under the eaves will get painted, all of this carport here will get painted. So the boys have actually been here, and the fences here have been painted, as you can see, and the fences here have just been cut down. They were quite high before, so they've all been levelled off. And all this here will be painted, so it will look a lot nicer. So all the fences here have just been straightened up and tidied up, and then up here on the deck, this steel railing is all going to be pulled off, and all this cladding here is getting renewed and replaced. So that's pretty cool. So as you can see up here on the deck, this railing is all going to be renewed. So that's looking down on top of the carport, and that's looking at the cladding. So that will all be replaced and obviously painted, and with the new railing there, will look quite cool. So as you can see, all the new light up there, all new eaves, all the fences will be painted. So you can see the boys are hard at work here. So the roof will be painted as well. So it's a good solid brick house. You're live on Facebook. You're live. So you see that they're here patching the fence, fixing all the fences up. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's the Mac Place as it stands. So once it's all painted, it'll be a lot different. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, here in Red Hill, first video out of the series of 4, and you'll see quite a transformation from now and through to completion. So anyway, keep following the page, you'll see it change over the next month or so. So have a great day, guys, talk soon. Cameron signing out. Facebook Live, how are we doing? Cameron Stewart calling in here. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon up here in Auckland, and just thought I'd do just before we start the interior renovations here in Red Hill, I thought I'd do a bit of a quick video, show you the before photos of the interior, and then obviously I'll do another couple of videos after this, which will be the video 3 and 4, which will show you obviously progress and then the completion of the renovation. So just bear with me. I will just turn this camera around. So this is obviously new property that we just bought. So there'll be a new super tub going in here, all new lino here. This door, this gap here, there was once a door there that will be put back in place. It's quite a large laundry area, really. All through here be all new lino. Existing kitchen is good, although it needs new appliances. So we'll put a new hob, new oven, all new tile splashback behind the kitchen there. This cupboard here will be opened up slightly, and also new shelving throughout, so that will make that a lot more usable. Obviously all the walls will be painted, etc. This wall here, doorway will just be opened up a little bit, so there'll be better flow from here through into the lounge area. As you can see, the property's solid, it's clean, it's tidy, it's just dated. Obviously through here, the wallpaper, curtains will be changed. We've already done some exterior decking out the front there, as we had early access prior to settlement. In here will be all new carpet and paint throughout, new tiles underneath the flyer. All this wall here will be painted. In here, obviously new front door, and also a new back door down there. New front and back doors, just to modernise all of that. In the bedrooms, carpet, paint, curtains, lighting. As you can see, there's a big mirror sliding door there. So it's a good solid house, 1960s I'd say, 1960s brick house. So quite a big house, about 160 square meters. So this room here, as you can see, and then this goes downstairs. So this will be all new carpet down to the bottom of the stairs. Now when I get down to here, obviously this will all be painted. This stuff here will have garage carpet. So this area here will have garage carpet. So you've got a room here, which is, you see, like I don't know what they've done there, they've patched it up and they've done some sort of boxed up plumbing here. There's been a bit of moisture coming through this wall. So what we're going to do is we'll waterproof all of this, and this will be just another bedroom as such, really, or an office, or whatever you want to call it. Then down here, got a big double garage. Bloody solid house though. Block base, brick. You've got a huge garage down here too. So also, obviously the doors will get fixed. And then up here, this railing here is illegal to today's building standards. So that will get this is getting fixed, or there's a new railing getting built on here. This here, I don't know, will get all fixed up and taken away and just jibbed and made tidy. Obviously new lighting throughout. Bathroom, we're going to have this door that where it's plastered, that will open up again. This door here will close this door off. Then where the vanity is, going to have a bath there. Then put the vanity there, and then put a new shower there. So then we can have a bath, vanity and shower. So that's the plan of attack. What else can I talk about? No, that's about it. So that's video 2 on the Red Hill trade property, Sunday. What month are we in? It is September 2018. So another one to get stuck into prior to Christmas. So hope you all have an awesome day. If you like these videos and the stuff that I'm putting up, share my page. I do a lot of renovations, property trading activity, etc. So there's some probably good tips and pointers to see how to do it effectively and at a good price, because I think what happens with a lot of people and what I've seen is they go out there, they do renovations on places, but they overcapitalise big time. They do Remuera renovations in the deep south or vice versa. So you've got to, when you're doing these renovations, especially trading and that, you've got to make sure that the product is going to suit the end buyer. This particular area is, you still do a good renovation, but it doesn't need to be the same spec as likes of Conifer Grove or Goodwood Heights, etc., because it's not in that price bracket. So it's below the $700,000 mark. So For those of you that are watching from out of town, you're probably thinking 700,000 is a hell of a lot of money. Yes, it is. But in Auckland today, there's not really a lot you can buy that's any good under 700. So anyway, I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name's Cameron Stewart from Get Into Property Limited. Have a great day. See you next time. Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Cameron Stewart calling in here from Red Hill. Finished this trade property now, so I thought I'd if you haven't seen any of the videos in regards to this, go back to video 1 and video 2. This is now video 3. Property is finished and about to go on the market, so just bear with me. What I'll do is I'll flip my screen around and show you the finished product, so give me a minute. So obviously this is the exterior of the property. All the deck been painted. We put all new decking outside there. So big outdoor area here, elevated site, gets plenty of sun. Solid brick house, tile roof. As you can see, beautiful big backyard. Heaps of space for the kids to run around. Obviously you got your back step here. Got a few fruit trees and stuff around the side there as well. So it's a really awesome full site. So we go back down around, I'll take you up inside and show you. But all north facing, so it gets a lot of sun, this property. So it's got a carport as well, plus a double garage. So if you need a good painter, here's Sione. He's a top painter here in South Auckland. So you've got a big double garage down here. Electric door opener. All been fully insulated. House has been all fully insulated in underneath. Insulation in the roof as well. So you've got a huge big area down here, which is quite cool. Really quiet street. So in here we've got sort of a garage carpet. We've got an extra room here. So it's a big, it's a double room. And you see it there. So what you could do with this property if you wanted to add more value is you could convert down below here to a unit. Obviously you'd have to go through the consent. So this is looking up the stairs. All new railing. All new carpet throughout. So that's looking at the front door. So this is the master bedroom. So it's looking down onto the road there. Looking out onto the deck. So you've got a big ranch slider that goes out onto the deck there. So we've all in the cupboards here have new cupboard inside things. So new rails and stuff. So that's the master bedroom. Second bedroom. All new carpet and underlay as well, which is really nice and soft. Another bedroom here. So it's really a full bedroom with the bedroom downstairs. So then you go along here. There's the back door. And then you've got the bathroom. So good family bathroom. You've got the bath. And then you've got vanity and a shower there. Then you've got a big laundry here, good cupboard space. New vanity in there, new toilet. And it's the back door there. Obviously the kitchen, we keep the existing kitchen but we put new dishwasher, new taps, appliances, ovens, hobs, new fan there on the wall. The kitchen itself was already quite good, so we didn't need to replace the kitchen. It was in really good condition. So we've just obviously new lino throughout here. This wall here got opened up, so if you go back to video 1 you'll see the difference. So it's looking really good actually. So then you've got this opens up into the lounge area. So it's quite a big house. It's 160 square metres. So it's a good property, and like I say, a very, very quiet area up here and quite elevated. So yeah, that's the that's a Red Hill trade property. It is, what's the date today? It is the 17th of October 2018. So this property will go on the market now, and on to the next one. So anyway, I hope that inspires someone, just shows you what can be done with you know, older houses. You know, a lot of young people today are going and buying these new houses on the really small sites. But you know what I recommend to a lot of people is why not buy stuff like this where you got a full site, you got a big house, and you've got some scope to do stuff further down the line. Because if you just buy a small site property, there's not a lot much more you can do to add value. But with a property like this, there's plenty of things you can still do to add value. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, my name's Cameron Stewart from Get Into Property Limited. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. We'll see you all next time. Over and out.